What can you see in this picture?
I can see two neighboring houses. Both houses have a front yard, a fence, trees, plants, flowers, and green grass. There are also two dogs in the picture.
What is the man on the left doing?
The man on the left is working in his front yard. He is trimming the bushes and cleaning up the garden. His yard looks very neat and tidy.
How does his house look?
His house looks clean and well maintained. The fence is painted, the grass is cut neatly, and colorful flowers are growing near the front door.
Can you describe his dog?
His dog is sitting beside him and watching quietly. The dog looks friendly and well-behaved.
What is the neighbor on the right doing?
The neighbor on the right is relaxing on a couch on his porch. He is leaning back and taking it easy while enjoying the peaceful afternoon.
How does his yard look?
His yard is a bit messy. The grass is longer, and there are some scattered items around the yard. However, it still looks comfortable and peaceful.
What is his dog doing?
His dog is lying on the grass near the couch. It looks calm and relaxed.
What differences can you see between the two neighbors?
The first neighbor is busy working and keeping everything organized. The second neighbor prefers to relax and enjoy his free time. One likes to stay active, while the other likes to slow down and unwind.
Can you describe the picture?
In this picture, I can see two neighboring houses on a bright and sunny day. On the left-hand side, a man is busy as a bee. He is cleaning up his front yard and cutting back the bushes. His house is as neat as a pin. There are colorful flowers, green grass, healthy trees, and a white picket fence. His friendly dog is sitting beside him and watching quietly.
On the right-hand side, the other neighbor is taking it easy. He is sitting back on a comfortable couch on the porch while his dog is lying on the grass. His yard is a little messy, but it still looks cozy and peaceful. There are a bicycle, a lawnmower, and some garden tools around the yard.
Although the two neighbors have different lifestyles, they both seem happy. One enjoys looking after his garden, while the other likes to slow down and stop and smell the roses. Overall, it looks like a friendly and peaceful neighborhood where everyone enjoys their own way of life.